Hi there. Let's make millet biscuits. Low FODMAP, gluten-free. Start with cooking 100 grams of millet. Add 200 grams of coconut milk. Blend it. "20 grams of butter. 1 egg. 50 grams of rice flour. 5 grams of gluten-free baking powder. Vanilla sugar, allspice, ground ginger, cinnamon, vanilla extract, because why not? Nutmeg. 3 grams of stevia. 20 grams of tahini, 20 grams of peanut butter. Sprinkle them with chopped peanuts. Bake them in 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Why they look like a poo, whatever. Thanks for watching.